Hi guys, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another episode in the series of episodes in which I talk about my personal life. I'm just very frank about whatever I want to talk about. So these are generally my past memories and my experiences which I want to share with all of you. Today I just want to talk about some things which I experienced when I was in school. When I was in school, actually, I always used to dread waking up in the morning every day, waking up at around 6:30 a.m., 6:45 a.m. to go to school. I had to leave for school by 7:15, so I had to get up at least half an hour before that to get ready. And I always used to dread that time of the day because I used to feel like going to school was such a waste, especially in the last few years of school. I think in 10th standard, 9th standard, I used to feel like it was very difficult for me because I didn't want to learn those subjects, especially the subjects of science, physics, chemistry, but I still had to go to school and learn them. So it was kind of difficult for me. But today I want to talk about a particular time of the year which occurred, I think, every 2 years. So let's say today, if it occurs in 2021, the next time it will occur in 2023. So every couple of years this used to happen, and I'm talking about the month of December. I'm talking about a tournament which was held in the month of December every couple of years between India and Australia. And this is known as the Border Gavaskar Trophy. So it was played on alternate years in alternate places. So in a year it was played in India, and the next year they would play it in Australia. So every couple of years it would be played in Australia, and whenever it was played in Australia, the timing of the matches was such that as per Indian time, it used to start at around 5:30 a.m. in the morning. So every day of a test match. So a test match consists of 5 days, and in a test series there usually used to be around 4 test matches. So those 20 days, if you had to watch the game, you had to wake up at 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. in the morning. And by the time I got ready for school, I had to leave for school by 7 a.m. By that time, actually, I could at least watch the game for 2 hours. So I always used to dread waking up in the morning, but I realized that whenever this tournament came along, I just caught up. I was so energetic, I was so enthusiastic about it that I always used to get up on time whenever matches used to happen. And from that time also I got this kind of thing that why this is happening and why this is happening. And after some time, after actually became wiser, I read a lot of stuff. I understood this thing that when you truly want to do something, when you truly enjoy doing something, you always make time for it. I've always seen people say this phrase that I don't have time for it. And the when people use this phrase, I think it simply means that they are not enjoying that particular thing. So if I'm talking about something which I don't have time for, it essentially means that I don't enjoy it, and that's why I won't do it. If I say that I don't have time to clean my room, or if I say that I don't have time to go outside and talk with people, it essentially means that I don't like to do it. Because if you like to do something, you will actually make time for it. It used to feel like such a big task waking up in the morning every day and going to school. But even then, whenever this tournament came along, it suddenly became easier. How does it suddenly become easier? How does it suddenly become so enthusiastic for you to wake up in the morning? This just proves that you really need to you really need to do things which you enjoy, because then automatically your productivity will go at a different level. You will be able to wake up at odd times, you will be able to work for so many more hours, and you it won't feel like work, it would just feel like you are enjoying your life. So that is what I learned from this particular experience in my life. I understood this late in my life. I didn't understand it back then in school, obviously. So this was just an experience which proved my learnings from my childhood. So I just wanted to share it with you, and I hope you found it useful, and maybe you can also learn something from it. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.